Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see helper functions. As part of helper functions, today we are going to see timer. Timer is very interesting. It will help you record how much time it's going to take between certain steps. So it gets the time elapsed between each running of this function. So as the name says, the timer is the command, and between timer and when you're seeing the end of the statement, how much time it's going to take it. So the time keep on ticking and it calculates in seconds. Let's see an example and go in detail to understand timer. Welcome back to the timer demo and example. So let's launch our Notepad++. I have already opened timer.tag as a script. It's pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. So let's just say TagUI Helper Functions and timer example. So it's pretty straightforward. You just need to specify timer. So it will start recording the time, and you can do some task. Let's say in this case, I can just say www.google.com and I'll wait for, let's say, time out 5 seconds. And let's echo timer and close and say total time equal to timer. Let's save this. Let's put it in a place and let's execute it. So launch our command prompt and navigate to your location where you have timer.tag file. In my case, it's in helper function folder in Z drive. Let's give TagUI and you specify timer.tag and just hit enter. So Chrome browser launched and you can see it started. I'm going to squeeze this a little bit. It launched google.com and done. So if you notice here, it performed all the steps and it has a total time, means it took 3 seconds to perform all the steps between. It took 3 seconds to perform all the steps basically to launch a google.com, and then as it is launched, it basically times out, and then to print it. It took 3.5 seconds. Timer basically takes care of this value and start recording the time, how much time it's going to take it. Finish or print timer. It calculates the total time it takes between this point to this point, 1 to 2, and that's what is getting displayed. In this situation, it is displayed as here. In this situation, as it displayed here, and this is the value. It is displayed total time. So this is very helpful when you want to wait for certain, when you want to calculate how much time it's going to take, how much time it's going to load. It's pretty helpful, and you can use this as a parameter for certain event to occur. So this concludes timer example. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.